Okay, so I sorted here against 11,000. Hopefully this short will be a very good intraday opportunity. Otherwise, price is gonna go very aggressively up because this 11,000 is multi-month high. So let's move the targets down for a possible move to the downside. So I spreaded my targets this kind of formation. I would like to see this short holding for very steep downside. Otherwise again it's gonna be very bullish. I mean, for the US economy it is bullish, but let's say now the market tries to price in a rate hike in December. So I'll close the whole position here. Let's see, I'll try R1 founder support. Let's see if 11,000 will break to the upside. So I closed the previous long and I opened a short position, sticking again to the 11,000 psychological resistance plan. And now let's see if price will move downwards to my targets. So we have a series of higher lows here. This would probably break out. Then I would like to see if I will try to buy at 11,000 breakout. So I bought for the breakout here, immediately targets filled. So let's see now if this goes up to resistance 2. This is a very important level for the breakout. As I was saying in the earlier videos earlier this week,
we see the Wall Street opening fell.
I have here the daily chart.
From overnight.
So as you can see here,
Monster Beverages earnings, that's for MNST.
A breakout and sustained breakout above 11,000 will be very bullish sign. So could probably go up to 11,300, let's say. So that's the point when trading. You need to have all the alternative scenarios to play them out accordingly. Otherwise you're just gonna lose probably. So the worst thing to do is to stuck in a mindset that okay, we topped out here and then we can go down. As you saw earlier in this video, I said that I shorted here because of that and because of this, but now I'm long here because of that. I didn't maintain my whole thinking process just blindly and keep short every high. Why do that when I can benefit from breakouts? Anyway, we had a very big rally from early this month, so why shouldn't this continue? So things look massively bullish at the moment. So price straight up. Let's say now if the whole macro longs shorts which were sorted below against this 11,000, now will probably lead price very too much to the upside. Let's see it at 100s, 11,100s first. Okay, so actually initially shorted here at 36s for a possible double top. Let's see, yeah, this will not play out good. Let's see if this is gonna go for 11,000 visit. Otherwise, just gonna go aggressively up. Spiking now above 210. Let's see if this holds, otherwise I'm gonna close the position. Okay, so stopped out, which was the most probable scenario. Now let's see if this long against 50s will play out well with the final target at 100s.
Order filled.
You can just sort it here again against the highs. So I sorted here for the initial resistance at 50s. Let's see if we have a pullback down to 11,000, and if it breaks down 11,000 and found resistance, then it could go even lower.
Stop filled.
Choppiness in the market right now.
Order pending.
Let's go short.
Order filled. Order filled.
So this initial resistance here at 50s being retested and failed, and now possibly it will go downwards, hopefully hitting my targets here, but then needs to break down 11,000 to go to the third target, so we'll see. I shorted once more here against 50s, so let's see if now market changes its mind and go back down. Again, like yesterday, SPY broke down to 210 and DAX lagging behind, so this could probably be like yesterday's immediately sell off to the downside. Let's see if this happens today. But at the moment DAX is being helped by euro-dollar weakness, which helps the company's exporters. So let's see if this very aggressive sell-off will come if DAX try to catch up with SPY. So let's see the correlation with SPY and DAX. What happened now is that SPY broke down today's low and 210, and then DAX hasn't done this yet. So like yesterday, this will be a very surprisingly aggressive move to the downside. Let's see if this scenario plays out. Okay, so looks like the trend accelerating now. Let's see if it's gonna break down aggressively 11,000 and then move hopefully lower. I just have one target up 11,000 and the second one for very downside move. So just I said what I said a moment ago, which I compared SPY with DAX like yesterday's. Now it broke down 11,000. Now if there is a scenario that the market is gonna price in December rate hike from the Fed, this is gonna go very steep downside. So let's see how this will hold, how this will play out. So let's see now if this initial support, which was previous resistance and pullback here, if this retest at 11,000 will lead us even more downside. So this is a type of price action I anticipated. Pullback here, then resistance here at 11,000, which once before and almost twice was resistance again, and then now price selling back down. Let's see how SPY is gonna react at 208 level, and then this probably could go very downside. So let's see how much it will go today. So here is my target for this trade. I'm willing to hold it to see how this plays, even if it comes back and retest 11,000. I just wanted to stay in the trade. Let's see how much can go down. Can it just go down the same amount as it went up? Let's see. So I'm just gonna close the whole position
Target
here.
filled.
Looks like it held support at previous low. Again, this size of movement exceeded my methodology's exhaustion kind of measure which I use. So let's see now if price will go back above, but at the moment I wouldn't like to place any more trades for today. Okay, so actually bought here for 11,000 breakout. Let's see how this will play out. SPY reversed aggressively, so if DAX will follow, then we'll have an at least retest of the previous high. So let's see how this will play out. Let's set the third target very optimistic 100, second target here at previous high, and just first target very quick profit. Let's see now the possible rally. so price pull back, held. So this is again like the opposite of yesterday. Initial rally, the same like yesterday. Initial rally, pullback, support, retest. Now rally probably in the higher, probably will break a higher. So let's see how this will play out now. Okay, so look like a little pullback here and support at 90s. Let's see now if price will break out US cash open price. Then it probably will go much higher, at least at the day's high retest. So actually stayed one lot long. Let's and move stop almost scratch. Let's see now if this is gonna go to the upside. Otherwise, that's it for today. So price broke down finally 11,000. Now I shorted at 94.50s. Let's see if price will go even lower. Okay, so price looks like held once again resistance here at 11,000. Could close down when cash market close. Could sell down. But that's it for today. So if you like the video with non-farm payrolls trading, the part 1, this is the part 2, the second part. So you can share the videos and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, you can, of course, you are welcome to ask. So yeah, that's it for today and thanks for watching.